in here?
I'm giving out sauce for free.
Free sauce? Who are you?
I'm JB Cuts, and I'm gonna show you how you can be better than Barber.
1, 2, 3, hit me!
Yo, what up YouTube? It's JB Cuts and I'm back with y'all for another video. I wanna take y'all to a different level, get y'all some more money, and enhance your experience in the barbershop. I'm gonna show you how to do facial. Alright, first I'm gonna put on a pre-cleanse. Alright, the pre-cleanse is a pre-cleanser. Okay, it's gonna break down dirt, oil, and debris that's on the face so we can actually use a cleanser and take it off. Now I'm gonna wipe off the pre-cleanse. I'm gonna make sure I pat because I'm using a towel, so I don't wanna do any more exfoliating because I'm gonna exfoliate. Now I'm gonna add the cleanser. I'm gonna do some different massage techniques. Okay, I wanna make sure I do effleurage. It's a light stroking movement, and you're gonna see me pinching. That's petricide. All right, and then when I do more so of the deep rubbing, it's called friction. All right, as you see me doing that now, I wanna make sure I get the lips as well, cause some people smoke. You know what I'm saying? They wanna make sure that's a lighter pigment, just like with their face. You don't wanna have nobody with dark lips and a bright face. You know, after they facial. Alright, and I'm gonna take that off. As I'm using the towel, I'm rinsing, and I have a bowl of water next to me, so I can keep rinsing off the product. I also have a dry towel as well to pat down and clean the face before I add another product to it. Next, I'm going to spray a toner. Alright, toners do exactly what it says. Tone. It's going to tone the skin back out and bring the pH back down, alright? And when you do use the toner, you never wipe. You only want to blot. Just want to keep tapping it on the face. Alright, now I'm going to apply a mask. Alright, this is the black mask. Alright, and as you can see, the steamer is on. Okay, I just want to use the steamer because the mask has some moisturizing effects because my client had kind of combination skin. So it was dry on the outside and a little bit oily on the inside. So I just want to make sure I restore that moisture and make sure that whatever the mask has to offer, it gets penetrated into the skin. Alright, and I'm applying that in a manner so it's more comfortable for my client because it can be cold and it could be irritating because of the abruptness of it. Okay, and I also gonna have the steam on him. The steam is gonna be on him for about 7 minutes. This is just to make sure that the product penetrates, and you're gonna see the difference after. I always want to make sure you ask your client about the steam as well. You want to make sure that it's comfortable for them. You don't want it too close. You don't want it too far away where they can't feel it. Some people do have asthma, so they'll be like short of breath. So we want to make sure they're comfortable. It's real important. I want to make sure I wrap his face. I want to kind of mask him. I got some fresh hot water. Got some towels from the hot towel warm, and I'm going to mummy him. You always want to make sure before you do this that you ask your client if they are claustrophobic. You don't want to freak them out by covering their whole face, and you want to make sure you leave the nostrils out so they can breathe. The steam towels also helps the product penetrate in the mask. Yes, sir. You see a big difference. As you see, I'm gonna always wipe in the upward motion. I never want to wipe down. Even when I'm using the massage manipulations, if I'm not going rotary, I'm going in the upward motion. Just because I want to make sure I pull the skin up, because gravity pulls the skin down. So we don't want to cause any wrinkles or any sagging in the skin early on. Alright, I'm gonna tap it to dry it with the dry towel. And now I'm gonna use the high frequency. The high frequency is used to get rid of bacteria on the surface of the skin, and also helps with circulation of blood flow and glandular activity. Glandular activity is your sebaceous and your sudoriferous glands, basically your sweat and your oil glands, so you just want to get that cleared out and active. Some people have clogged pores, and that causes a lot of smelling when sweating.
Miss Neek on the track. Miss Neek on the track.
Okay, now I'm gonna apply moisturizer because I don't want to leave the skin dry. I want to make sure I keep it moisturized after all the products. Thanks, y'all. This is a service that you can perform in the barbershop. I wanted to make sure that y'all got this because as barbers, we can't perform this. And this is another way to make money and get more income. Like, subscribe, share this video, and get back to you with another video. It's JB Cuts, and I'm gone.